Hello everyone, today we are comparing Realme Pad 3, Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Redmi Pad 2 Pro comes with an IP53 rating. Display features. Realme Pad 3 and Redmi Pad 2 Pro come with IPS LCD display, and the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus comes with TFT LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Galaxy Tab A11 Plus and Realme Pad 3 are powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the Redmi Pad 2 Pro comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.